Oh, this is crazy news. Now we got here we got for crazy news. Bird strike forces Delta Airlines flight from Atlanta to turn around. A Delta flight was forced to return to Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport on Sunday night after coming in contact with birds during takeoff, the airline said. Delta Flight 2281, which was headed to Washington, D.C., returned to the airport at 10:36 p.m. 47 minutes after it took off, according to information from flight data tracking platform FlightAware. The flight turned around after its crew reported a bird strike had cracked a windshield on the Airbus A320. In a statement to CNN, Delta Airlines said maintenance personnel were evaluating the aircraft as the airline worked to reaccommodate customers on an alternate aircraft to Washington, D.C. Flight 2281 was originally scheduled to land at Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, but due to airport restriction, was scheduled to land at Washington Dulles International Airport. No passenger or crew were injured during the incident, a spokesperson for Delta told CNN. There are around 15,000 bird strikes reported every year, according to the Federal Aviation Administration. About 5% of them result in damage to the aircraft. In 2009, pilot Sully Sullenberger, the third, successfully landed U.S. Airways Flight 1549 in the Hudson River in New York after its engines were knocked out by birds shortly after taking off from LaGuardia Airport. Sorry about that long article reading, but as you can see, a bird strike forced the Delta Airlines to turn around from Atlanta. So as you can see, this is what one bird can do. I'm ex-military, and I know about what they call it. I forgot what the name they call it, whereby when the birds go into the engine, they can actually stall an engine. The birds, they can make an engine shut down actually. So that's about it. This is crazy news again, bringing you crazy news.